Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Youthman. As you know, about 5 months ago, Logitech announced that they would no longer be making their Harmony remotes. Now, I've been a Harmony owner probably about 14 years now. I started off with the Harmony 1 and then later on upgraded to the Harmony Elite, and I've been using that for many years. Now, although I really like what the Harmony brings to the home theater community, definitely being able to program via my phone, my smartphone, update whether I'm adding a new component or I'm creating a scene so that when I hit watch movie, the projector turns on, turns to the right image, the right input, and does all the settings, dims my lights, does all of that. It's definitely not perfect. There are definitely some little quirks with the Harmony Elite that have been kind of frustrating. The biggest issue with me is just the slow response time on the touchscreen. So when you click something, there's kind of like this delay, or when you slide, it's like, oh, you want me to move, So it's not super fast in regards to that, but I love the fact that I can hard program individual buttons on here to do certain things and to trigger certain things. So that's always been pretty cool. So anyway, where I'm going with this is about 5 months ago, I made a video talking about this very issue, that Harmony is now going to be out of the business and who's going to replace them. And so recently I received a remote from Sofa Baton. I think they're on like their second version of their remote. And honestly, it was okay. I wasn't super impressed with the Sofa Baton. I think it's definitely, they didn't send me a full production working unit. So they're still working out some of the bugs in that. But even apart from that, I just don't see it having the features that I want. It's definitely, to me, not a Harmony Elite replacement. It just doesn't have that level of customization and features and function. About that same time, though, 5 months ago, somebody reached out to me, and I'm going to read their comment. So this was from, and forgive me if I pronounce your name wrong, Tor DMS. So he says, I used to be a YIO remote user before Control4 acquired them, but now I'm stepping into the YIO remote world. And so at that time, I'm like, who the heck is YIO? What is this? And so I did a little research back then, and I think the remote one, which was the first one that they had released, it was kind of more of a DIY project. You actually kind of had to build it. I believe that's my understanding. Well, recently, YIO began talking about and promoting that they're working on a Remote 2, a second version of this. So I got a little, curious about it, and I went on their Discord server and began asking questions with Marlon. He's one of the designers and developers and one of the co-owners of the company, and began to just ask some questions about what the remote would do and everything. And he mentioned that they were going to have a live stream. And so that actually took place earlier this week, and I had a chance to join in that as far as in the chat and ask questions and just kind of see what this whole thing was about. And guys, I wanted to make a video because I'm pretty stinking pumped about what I'm seeing with the YIO Remote 2. It's got some interesting things that are different than the way the Harmony works. The Harmony ties in with a Harmony hub, and that hub communicates with your network over Ethernet or wireless. And so it's a little bit different philosophy, and I'm not going to go into too much about how it's different because I'm going to tell you about a live stream kind of collab that we're going to do with YIO next week, and I'll tell you that in just a few minutes. But anyway, so during this live stream, I'm just seeing some things that I really like. The speed of it's an OLED display, so the display looks gorgeous. It's got a color display, it's got graphics on it. It seems like it's laid out really nicely. And then like I said, just the functionality of how responsive each page is on the OLED display. So I definitely like that. It's just a super sleek and modern looking remote. And then the functionality of it, it seems like it would definitely be at least on par, if not kind of more feature rich than the Harmony Elite. And so that's got my attention, honestly. And so I reached out to Marlon and I said, hey, Marlon, after watching your live stream, I would love to be able to kind of do something very similar on my channel for my audience, to allow you guys to ask questions to them directly about it. I know that there's a ton of interest in, people looking for a remote replacement for Harmony because of how many backers there have been for the Sofa Baton, and even a lot of backers on their Kickstarter for YIO. So both of these companies are providing something and they're trying to step into this world, but honestly, they're going to need the community support in order to make this thing happen. And so Marlon and his team are going to join me in a podcast next Monday, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll have a link to it down in the description. So make sure right after this video, head over there and then click the button to remind you or put it on your calendar or something like that. But I would love for you to join us in that and just kind of check it out and see if that would be a good fit for your home theater. Again, it's in the really early stages. I think they're not looking at kind of shipping until definitely 2022, I believe. But a lot of the functionality's there. And like I said, guys, I'm just excited that I think the YIO Remote 2 has a lot more potential than the Sofa Baton X1 that I just reviewed. But definitely check out both options because maybe the YIO Remote is going to be a little bit more than the Sofa Baton, but it offers a lot more. So it really just depends on your needs. If you don't need all that functionality and features, and you don't care about having a touch screen display, maybe the Sofa Baton would be a better fit for you. So definitely I'll post a link to that review at the end of this video so you can check that out too. Again, my desire on this channel is just to share with you products, home theaters, all this stuff, just to inspire you and give you enough information so that you can make a decision as a consumer if products are a good fit for your setup. And so I just wanted to share that with you. I'm really excited to have the team, Marlon and YIO, on the channel. And so make sure that you set an alarm for next Monday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll post a link to their Kickstarter. You can check that out down in the description below. And guys, I hope you have a blessed week, and we'll catch you in the next video.